Today we're going to change how the tail light turn signal works on the VB chassis WRX. So the left side is the original, the right side, as you can see, is the upgraded version. This is called the tail light as turn signal. We'll also be changing the original turn signal bulb to LED so that the new reverse light will be bigger and white. And of course we'll need the conversion harness. This is just for one side. I've already installed the other side. I'll put a link down in the description below. To remove the tail light, we'll need a ratchet with a 10mm socket, along with a Phillips screwdriver. We'll unscrew the center part of this plastic clip with a Phillips screwdriver first. Sometimes the outer part rotates, so you may have to hold it still. We'll remove this plastic cover by pulling on the side that's farther away from the tail light. Next, we'll remove the two 10mm bolts. Now we can pull the tail light straight back to unclip it. Obviously we need to be careful to not damage the paint. Now we can push the tab on the connector and pull it out. Sometimes it can be pretty tight. Obviously you need to pull the connector and not the wire. If this plastic clip right here comes out with a tail light, you need to make sure you install it correctly, or else you'll be very frustrated with your tail light not seating correctly. So this thicker side has the arrow. You need to make sure it's pointed away from the center of the vehicle. So in this case, for the left tail light, it needs to be pointed left. Alright, now we can attach the harness. I mean, there's only one way it can fit, so pretty straightforward. This harness comes with a resistor. That way the LED does not hyper flash. And then we can connect the other side to the tail light. Next, we'll swap out the old turn signal bulb with the new white LED bulb. This will now be our reverse light. Now we can reinstall the tail light real quick. The tail light has a lot of plastic parts, so obviously don't go too crazy with torquing these bolts down. We'll pop the trim back on by installing the side closer to the tail light first, and then push it on. Now we'll put the plastic clip back on. We'll put the outer part in first before pushing the center part in. And here again, the left side is the original, the right side is the converted. And here it is with both sides upgraded. And here it is with the white LED for the additional reverse light. As you can see, it is a lot brighter. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. It gives me a little bit more motivation to create more VB WRX videos. Take care.